Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your bed like a designer. I know, this may seem like a very simple idea and a simple process, but trust me when I say there's a million ways to make a bed, and there's a million right ways and a million wrong ways. So I'm here to show you just one of the right ways. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my tips and my tricks on how to make your bed. Okay, so first things first would obviously to put down your sheet. So like I prefer using a fitted sheet because I just don't have the energy or the effort to go folding the corners, so I chose a fitted sheet. And it's also very important to choose a high quality bedding, you know, like something with a higher thread count, or maybe even like a Egyptian cotton or something, just because it just makes the overall experience of sleeping better, but also it looks better as well. Okay, so I always add my duvet first before the pillows, just because it gives me more kind of freedom to shake and move it around and air it out. Because when you have like a feathered duvet, which I would recommend, because it just gives a more fuller and more luxurious look, and you can get them really affordably as well. Then just pull the duvet up and then you fold it back to about, so half the bed is covered with the duvet, and do the same on the opposite side. And then you just fold the top over again. And now it's time for pillows. I love pillows. Oh my god, I love them. So I have the feathered pillows as well, and it's really important just to give them a good shake before you put them down. Now there's a few ways you can lay your pillows on the bed. I'm going to show you the way I do it, and then I'll show you like a couple of other options as well, just in case you know you don't like how I do it. Pillow placement is also very important to the story you're trying to tell in the space, because this here with them standing upright tells a completely different story to if they're, you know, one's like that and one's like this, or they're stacked on top of each other, or you know, they're just kind of, if there's one, you know, and they just all tell a different story. Or if they're a bit more kind of thrown like so, they all tell a different story, and it's really important to kind of place your pillows in a way that kind of tells the story that you want to be told in your space. I always add a throw blanket because I just feel like it gives, I love a layered look when it comes to bedding, so I like to have like things draping over things and have different textures, just because I like having all that interest to look at, and then it looks a bit more welcoming and inviting, which, you know, that's what you want in your bed. Now, layering a throw is a different story. You can do it as well. You can keep it very clean and straight and flat. Or, you know, another thing you can do is, this is another option, you can fold it back over and you can tuck it in with the duvet. And then put it underneath here and fold it back. Again, creating layers and interest and just texture. Or you could leave like that and then go about your day and then add your cushions, and this still looks gorgeous. But what I like to do is, it's a bit more conventional. This is my preferred look to go for, is I fold it over, because this is a big throw now. Like, not many throws are this size, but I knew when I was doing the spaces I wanted something to droop and drape over the sides of the bed, just to give me that like extra, you know, plush and relaxed look, and also like the extra bit of luxury. I like to give it that just thrown on the bed look, because even though, you know, when a designer says it's just thrown on the bed, it's never just thrown on the bed. It's meticulously moved around and fixed and pulled and twisted to give it that look. Okay, and then the final step to making your bed like a designer is cushions. I love these cushions. These are from H&M. The cushion covers and the inserts are separate because H&M don't, well, they sell inserts, but they're not like, you know, the good inserts. I get my inserts from another company. It's not like an online place. It's literally just like a warehouse in one of my local towns. So that's where I get them. Okay, and I finish off, just add them in the center there. Now you don't have to just add 2 cushions. You could add 3, you could add 4, you could add 5 if you want to. It's all depending on your own taste and aesthetics and your vision for your space. I just personally prefer the look of 2 in this space. I prefer the look of 2 in most spaces actually, really, because I just think it's a nice balanced number, and yeah, I like it. Okay guys, that's my tips and tricks on how to make a bed. I really hope this was helpful. I'll be doing a few more of these types of videos in the coming months. You know, it won't just be about beds. I'm going to do some gallery walls, some styling, some extra tips and tricks to help you guys at home if you're currently renovating a home, if you're planning on renovating a home, or you just want to add a few bits to your own space. I'm hoping these videos will help you with that. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.